Here's our last unit we did, triangle, inequality, and exterior angle. Two different things. So a couple of things here, pretty simplistic. State if three numbers can be the measures of the sides of a triangle. So does 65, 31, 45 make a triangle, and so forth. Okay, what I want to do is I want to identify the two smallest angles, or sides, they're sides, not angles, there's no degrees. I want to pick the two smallest ones, okay? Not just the first and second, but the two smallest. I want to add those together. 31 plus 45, 76. Is that bigger than this? Yes, so it's a triangle. 31 plus 13 is 44. Is that bigger than this? No, so it's not a triangle. 28 plus 26, that's a good one here. That's going to be 40, 54. Is that bigger? No. 40 plus 46 is 86. Is that bigger? Yes. Now, even if they come out to be the same, then the answer would be no. So here's an extra example. If I had, let's go 16, 8, and 8. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Is that bigger than this? No. It must be strictly bigger, not equal to, not smaller. It will not make a triangle. Only ones where the two smaller ones added together and it comes out to be something bigger than what was left, that's the only ones. Now, if we're doing the range of possible measures, I'm given two sides, and I don't like this because I got 10, 10, 6, 6, so we're going to have to change this up. Let's go 10, 18, and 6, 6. That's okay. But if I get two sides, and I need to know where the third one falls, I just simply want to subtract and add. If I subtract, I get 8. If I add, I get 28. And so my third side, let's call it x, is somewhere greater than 8 and less than 28. And we write it down this way, with the bigger number on the right, the smaller number on the left, and we're pointing to the left both times. If they're equal, no sweat, subtract and add. So 0 is less than x is less than 12. Between 0 and 12, and that, if I'm at 8, that's no good. If I'm at 28, that's no good. I have to be between those two numbers. Now, here's the exterior angle theorem. Here is my exterior angle, and then these would be my remote interiors. Once again, I do not like question mark. I'd rather have an X, so I'm going to put an X there. And the rule is that this exterior angle is equal to these two added together. Okay, so 120 is equal to x plus 70. Subtract 70, 120, that's 50. X is 50. Or in this case here, again, exterior is up here, interior is down here. 100 is equal to x plus 40. Subtract the 40 and you get 60. So some simple ones right there. That's the simplicity. The exterior is equal to the two remote, or the ones away from it, not the one right next to it, but away from it. Those two added together. Let's take a look at a couple more. Okay, here's one that's tougher. Where's the exterior angle? Right here, outside. These two are the interiors. That's a 5. I just blew it up there. So 11x plus 17, the exterior, is equal to the 8x minus 5 here, plus 55 here. This one is equal to those two added together. And so we combine the like terms first. 11x plus 17 equals 8x plus 50. We combine the variables by subtracting, doing the opposite. 11 minus 8x is 3x. Then we combine the constants. This is going to subtract this 17. So 3x is 33. Then we divide and x is 11. Do I plug it back in? No. It says solve for x, so I'm done. Now if I had this problem, it says find angle G. Angle G is way down here, so this is angle G. Again, my exterior is here, and these two are my interiors. So the exterior is equal to this interior plus that interior. These two added together. Combine the like terms, we're going to go negative 8 and 50. 14x plus 6 equals 10x plus 42. We're going to combine variables by subtracting 10x. 4x plus 6 equals 42. We're going to subtract 6 and get 4x equals 36. Divide by 4 and x equals 9. But I'm not done because it says clearly find angle G. So angle G is this one. In the homework I think we did a lot of this top one, but here's angle G. So angle G is 10 times 9 minus 8. We're going to take this x equals 9, and plug it in right here. So that's 90 minus 8, 82. And that's the angle, so we'll call it degrees. And there you have it. So hopefully this will make sense. You'll be able to do your homework and understand.